In today's video, I'm going to teach you how Etsy variations and processing profiles work, and specifically, how to add variations on Etsy to enhance your shop listings. This is particularly useful for sellers who want to offer multiple options for a single product, whether that means different colors, sizes, or even materials, making your shop more attractive and functional for buyers. First things first, you'll want to start by logging into your Etsy shop manager. Once you're in, locate the listings section. Here, you have the option to either add a new listing or edit an existing one. This flexibility allows you to introduce variations at any point in your product lineup, whether you're just starting with a new product or enhancing an old favorite. After you've decided on the listing to modify or create, scroll down until you find the inventory and pricing area. This is where you'll be able to set the groundwork for your product variations. Within this section, there's an option labeled Plus Add Variations, which is your gateway to providing more choices for your customers. When you click Plus Add Variations, you're presented with a list of predefined variation types that Etsy provides, such as color, size, and material. These options are handy for standard products, but if your items require a bit more creativity, Etsy also allows you to create custom variations suited to your specific needs. Think about what your customers frequently request and use that insight to tailor your options. Once you've selected your variation type or types, the next step is to add specific options within these variations. For instance, if you're offering a product in different colors, now's the time to list those options, such as red, blue, and green. This step ensures that customers can easily navigate and select their preferred option when browsing your shop. Now, Etsy provides optional checkboxes for more advanced management of your variations. You can choose to enable price per variation, which allows you to set different prices for each variant. This is particularly useful if certain options have different costs that need to be reflected. Similarly, you have the option to manage the quantity per variation, so you can keep track of your stock more precisely. Lastly, there's an option to input a unique SKU per variation, giving you the ability to organize your inventory management system more effectively. After deciding on the best options for your variations, it's crucial to save your changes. This final step embeds your new or updated variations into the listing, making them visible and selectable for your customers. With these variations activated, your Etsy shop can now cater to a wider array of customer preferences, boosting your appeal and potentially increasing sales. Remember, customization and flexibility are key advantages in the e-commerce world, so make the most of these tools provided by Etsy to enhance your shop's offerings.